icon star in-house Allu Arjun. All right, big round of applause, guys. All right, guys, please have a seat. Please have your seats. Yes. Guys, please settle down, everyone. Please settle down, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all the media personals. Please have your seat. Yes, requesting everyone to please settle down. सर आपकी फोटो मैं दिलवाऊंगा बढ़िया प्लीज सर मैं दिलवाऊंगा मेरी गारंटी है Thank you everyone. Please settle down at the back. All right, thank you. Allu sir, हम जब revisit कर रहे हैं मूवी को So we're just, highlighting कौन-कौन से best moments रहे उनके. So कोई बोल रहा था या? Yes, please. इनकी आवाज मुझ तक पहुंचा दो. एक मिनट रुक जाओ फिर अभी. Let people settle down. Yeah. Yes. Security, please इसको clear करवा दीजिए for the back. People at the back, yeah. Yes, please everyone. In the front of the stage, please take your seat, settle down. Yes, sir, please. Thank you. Wildfire! I think guys, ये साफ दर्शाता है कि पिछले 6 दिनों में क्या हुआ है. Everyone had the same expression, उसी aggression के साथ उन्होंने इस मूवी को enjoy किया है. So thank you so much to the producers for for this and thank you India कि आप लोगों की वजह से इतना बड़ा हो पाया. And I wish to call on stage अनिल दड़ानी जी जिनकी वजह से आई थिंक आप तक हम तक ये मूवीज पहुंचती हैं. सर है ओवरसीज इंडिया में तभी हम लोग जाके थिएटर्स में आराम से एंजॉय कर पाते हैं. सर प्लीज बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर अनिल सर. कैन वी हैव द माइक? यस सर क्या हो गया ये 6 दिनों में? How do you see, sir, 1000 CR in 6 days? What's your take on the same? आपको expected था पहले से कुछ ऐसा होने वाला है, एक rage create होने वाली है, या आपके लिए भी this is like oh God 6 days 1000 CR क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
So I think I would have been surprised if this film didn't achieve all these records and set new benchmarks. I would like to thank the audiences world over for showering so much love on this film. I think this is all an achievement because of all the hard work put in by the online icon star Alu and the offline star that we have, Sukumar sir. Their dedication has paid off, and also these new benchmarks that have been set. I'm so glad that I'm a part of this historical film, thanks to my producers, Naveen ji and Ravi ji. I hope that this love continues and we set newer records.
Right, thank you so much, sir. And what's next? अभी क्या चल रहा है दिमाग में? 6 days ही हुए हैं अभी मूवी को, ऑलमोस्ट 7 days हुए. So क्या देख रहे हैं? What's your vision? इसके बाद कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम?
I think all eyes set on the 2000 mark
Yeah.
soon enough.
Yes, obviously, sir. Fingers crossed, and we all hope that mark will come soon. Sir, I wish to call on stage few exhibitors as well. So. Yes. Okay. Thank you, guys. Please, big round of applause for Anil sir. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I wish to call on stage Mr. Ashutosh Agarwal ji, Star World Cinemas, UP. जोरदार तालियां सर के लिए. Sir, please. Shashank ji from Delight Cinemas, Delhi. Romit Kapoor ji from Surf Cinemas, Agra. जोरदार तालियां. मैं बता दूं, इन लोगों की वजह से ही आप जाके देख के आ पाते हो. इनके लिए ज़्यादा तालियां चाहिए. Nimit Agarwal ji from Shri Cinemas, Agra. Pranav Garg ji from Maya Cinemas, Muzaffarnagar, UP. And Sanjay Kaul ji from M2K Cinemas, Delhi. Can I have everyone on stage, please?
Hello all, everybody. I am Shashank Rayzada, representing Delight Cinema and Delight Diamond in Delhi. I have been screening movies distributed by Mr. Anil Thadani since Chalte Chalte. That was his first movie. As far as Pushpa is concerned, when Pushpa 1 was being released, I used to tell my people that this picture is going to do something unheard of. Nobody used to believe me. And we started screening with a less number of shows and it grew. As far as Pushpa 2 is concerned, it has had a historical run. It has really beaten all records. The collections, we have got 1,200 seats, 1,200 seats. And on 1,200 seats, in the first week, we have crossed 92%. Nearly 1,000 people coming to see this movie every show. And even on the 8th day today, my matinee show would be still 85% plus. So it's a mind-blowing collection. This kind of a collection we used to see in old times with movies like Mere Gaon, Mere Desh, Arzu, Jangli. Those were the movies whereby we could say that all the 28 shows are full and continuously, and people had to be literally pushed around that, look, we don't have any seats. So I really thank Shri Alu Arjun ji and the entire team, the director Shri Sukumar ji and the producers, and Shri Anil Thadani ji and Shri Surinder Paul ji, who is representing the Delhi office, thanking that they keep on giving such movies to our theatres and we keep on achieving bigger records. Thank you very much.
Check. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, what would you like to say?
Good afternoon, everyone. This side Dr. Pranav Garg from Maya Multiplex Cinema, Muzaffarnagar. First of all, sir, Pushpa एक नाम नहीं, एक brand है. And apart from that, very, very warm thanks from the exhibitor fraternity. What I can just do, shower my love and affection upon you, is this. we cinema are just providing service, but what matters really is the content, and the content by in the supervision of Mr. Sir, that is Mr. Alok Sir. He is again a brand, a fire brand. What I can say, not a wildfire, it'll be a fire out of control. People who are the cinema, like what I have a passion right now, they want the tickets at any price. We are running 8 shows because of the length. It's extremely cold, but I'm so glad people tell me at 2 a.m. in the morning, ki, sir, we are ready to pay. We want the show to continue. But because we have to go in for maintenance also, we have to have cleanliness also, we are unable to project the next show, which is late night show. But we are trying, and with the hard work you have doing, I can only say कि Pushpa झुकेगा नहीं साला. Pushpa is not national now, it is international. And we can just hope कि again the sky would be the last limit for the success of Pushpa. This is a family business. My grandfather made this cinema in 1945. Somehow cinema, single screen cinema were not surviving. My father took again a motive to make a new cinema. I was blessed. I made it into a multiplex, and everything went wrong after COVID. We were very disappointed, but again, a day which I cannot forget would be 17th of December 2001.
Yes.
With Pushpa, we were back. And because my cinema opened somewhere around about 14th of February 2022. I got lots of criticism from my family members that you wasted 5 crores on renovation of the cinema. But with Pushpa, we knew we would set an example. Public loved you, sir. They were crying. They were like, when I was seeing a Kali role, what a passion, what a hard work. Your dance is absolutely incredible. I can go on for tonight. I can't stop. And sir, I don't know whether I'm right or wrong. We belong to Muzaffarnagar, and that is famous for Revdi and Gajak. My father reached yesterday from Delhi to Muzaffarnagar around about 8 o'clock. And when he knew that this was an event, he had sent a token of love for you, sir. So, because of you, cinema is gonna survive, and we all know you were a superstar, you are a superstar, and Anil sir is making excellent projects. Sukumar sir has been very, very innovative. So, extremely thankful, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच. आपकी ये रेवड़ी गजक हम पहुंचा देंगे वहां तक, आप दे दीजिएगा. ओके सर, ही इज आस्किंग. थैंक यू. कैन यू प्लीज पास इट ऑन? Oh, you can also go here. Guys, big round of applause. मुजफ्फरनगर की रेवड़ी एंड गज्जक, अल्लू सर ट्राई करने वाले. वाओ, what a moment यार. Thank you so much, sir. So you can also, if you wish to. Yeah.
Hello, sir. My name is Romit Kapoor. I'm from Agra. I'm playing 7 screens, and 7 screens only Pushpa 2 is going on. I must say that you have played a great legacy from Pushpa to Pushpa 2, from crores to 1,000 crores. And I'm just waiting for that moment which I'm going to see that Pushpa 3 is already breaking the record in public's heart. Thank you very much, Sukumar sir, for giving me such a good content to everyone. Everyone loves you, touched with the family emotions which you have given it. And once again, congratulations. Thank you very much to all of us for giving me such a good record.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words. Yes.
Hi, sir. My name is Ashutosh Agarwal. I belong to Prayagraj, and I have 12 properties in 31 screens. I don't know how to speak in front of public, but whatever I can say, I can tell you that in 6 days, my net collections are 1.75 crores, which is a historic.
Wow.
Never before seen such collections in my life. My
Wow.
career is only 25 years. I have not seen such collections. And one story I would like to share with you that happened in front of me. You've made every public a Pushpa. Everybody in the theater feels like a Pushpa. I went to the theater first day, 500 seater. It was jam packed. In the interval, I see one guy sitting with his lap on the next seat. The usher goes and stops him till they take your leg down. He says, Pushpa, fire nahi hai, flower nahi hai, fire hai. So this is what you have made. You have made the public a Pushpa. So hats off to you, hats off to Maitri Movies, hats off to Allu sir, Anil sir, and please, we're waiting for the part 3, and fingers crossed for 2,000 crores. All the
Yes.
best.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, yes, please hold the mic a little closer, yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Nimit from Shri Cinema Agra. I just want to say one thing. We have a single screen cinema. It is a 860-seater cinema. So till yesterday, we have 100% occupancy. All 28 shows were houseful,
Wow.
back to back.
Great, sir.
Almost 3,500 people per day.
Wow.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sanjay, and I come from M2K Cinema. It's in Delhi, in the north Delhi, basically. We have 2 locations, 5 screens. First 6 days, 100% occupancies, 25 shows back to back. One thing I would like to mention is that right now, Delhi experiences a lot of cold. It's too chilly. But the morning shows in our cinema start before 8, and the last shows is at midnight. And all are full. So
Wow.
this is a great achievement. If I talk about the figures, in the first 6 days, sir, we have done more than 10% of the business of this fiscal year, the financial year. The movies in the past were not doing so well, but then the 6 days have actually turned around, fantastically well for us. I think thank you to you, sir, Allu sir. Thank you to Sukumar sir. Thank you to Anil sir. And I think thank you to everybody who's, looked at this movie for a long time. Just a couple of more reactions to share. We are very promote our cinemas digitally. In 1 week, we had more than 2.5 million reach for the digital promotions that we did. The engagements
Wow.
were approximately
Guys, big round of
100,000,
applause, yeah, come on.
75,000 plus engagements in 1 week for this movie. And the contest we run, we could not respond to those. Thank you very much, sir. I have 2 things to say before I close. One is that this movie has done the fastest 1,000 crores, and I wish you the fastest 2,000 crores. Second thing, the question is in my eyes, is Pushpa 3, the date. Thank you very much. Thank you so much all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Ashutosh
everyone.
ji, thank you so much. Shashank ji.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Romit ji, Nimit ji, Pranav ji, and Sanjay ji. Thank you so much. Big round of applause, guys. Please, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir. स्पीकर चालू करा दीजिए पीछे उस तरफ का लास्ट
Namaste. Namaste. The first thing I would like to say is thank you, India.
वो
Thank you.
जोरदार तालियां
Thank you. सबके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you. Sorry. Shukriya. What do you say? Dhanyavad or Shukriya? Dhanyavad. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Because I just got overwhelmed by the crowd. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I would like to thank the people from all across the country, from every state. People have showed immense love equally. So I would like to thank the entire nation for pouring this wildfire of love. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. ये love नहीं है, wild love है. Thank you. And पुष्पा नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझे क्या फ्लावर नहीं, फायर है मैं, इस बार फायर नहीं, वाइल्ड फायर. Thank you. And I would like to thank all the Indians across the globe for watching this film and pouring immense love. And also I would like to thank all the crossover audience who are watching Indian films from across the globe. Thank you so much. पुष्पा को national समझे क्या? इस बार international.
Whoa!
Thank you everyone. And most importantly, I would like to thank the entire team of Pushpa, my producers Naveen Garu, Ravi Garu, my distributors Anil Garu, and all my entire technicians, my artists, and above all, one man who made this entire success possible. All credit goes to, of course, everybody is a part of this credit. Credit goes to everybody, but if it all has to sum up, it sums up to one person's vision, and that's none other than my director, who's ruling Indian cinema box office. All my highest respects for my director. It is his success. It is none other than my director, Bandi Sukumar Reddy garu. It's purely his vision. It's purely his hard work and vision that has put us all at this level. Darling, on a personal note, thank you. I owe this entire credit just to you. All of us owe this credit to you. And I also... Can I have some water, please? At the same time, I would like to thank the film industry across all the states. I'd like to first thank the Hindi film industry for being immense support to Pushpa 1. You know, Pushpa cannot be Pushpa without the support of the Hindi audience and the Hindi film industry. Each one of us have given so much love and support. So many directors, so many actors, technicians have poured in so much love and support on social media and making Pushpa 1 what it is. So I would like to thank the entire Hindi film industry for the support, and the Tamil film industry, and the Kannada film industry, the Bengali, the Malayali, and of course the Telugu film industry. They have given immense support, and they have accommodated us for the Pushpa release on this December 5th. Every industry, they've showed so much grace and so much love for us. I'd like to thank every industry from across the country for showing their love and support. Thank you. And also, I would like to thank, And also, I would like to thank the government from every state, the governments, the police department, and the media from every state for supporting this film. I would like to thank the government of India for supporting the film industry, because so much has been possible. It cannot be possible without the help of the government. So from the film industry, I would like to say thank you very much. And once again, what can I say? This is wild. Ye love nahi hai. Ye wild love hai. Thank you, India. Dhanyavad. Thank you, India. Thank you. Thank you. It's not just my victory. Believe me, it is our country's victory. That one film is celebrated across so many. That one film is celebrated in so many states. It shows the beauty of this country. I'm humbled to each and every one of you for being so generous. Thank you. Once again, thank you, India. That's all I can say. And not as Pushparaj, but as a simple Indian, I would like to say, as an Indian standing at the capital of this country, I would like to say that I believe India will lead the future of the world. India will be the leading country of the world. And ये नया भारत है, ये अब रुकेगा नहीं, ये कभी झुकेगा नहीं. जय हिंद.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, wish to have you on the stage for a minute more. And guys, it's just 30% of the thank you and dhanyavad, because 70% of the wildfire is still to come. Sir, please hold for a second. So the media persons are here. So what will be your words for the same? Because उन लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इसको print किया है, telecast किया है. What would you like to say?
I'd like to thank the media from all the states. Thank you so much for your love and support. There's no way the movie can have this much reach without your love and support. So I'd like to thank all the medias across all the states. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Sir, हमने मीडिया से तो पूछा what's their favorite scene from the movie, but we wish to know what's your favorite scene from the movie. One scene.
You know, and I'm saying this from the capital
Guys,
of the
please
country.
maintain the decorum.
And every time I say it, right, it's not just Pushpa for me is not just about myself. It's about the attitude of every Indian. You know, I wanted to carry, whenever we say, how do I put it? To answer you, my favorite moment in Pushpa is, I'm saying this as an Indian, not just as a character of Pushpa. Every single time I said, "Main jhukega nahi." And
Yeah!
I loved it. That's my favorite moment in the entire movie.
But sir, last question, sir. Pushpa 1 was झुकेगा नहीं साला. Pushpa 2, हरगिज झुकेगा नहीं साला. Pushpa 3.
हम रुकेगा नहीं साला.
Yeah! Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And we wish ये 1000 CR जो है ये अभी 7, 8, 10 में कन्वर्ट होता जाए and wildfire बढ़ती ही जाए.
Thank you. And about the 1000 number, I would like to say something. The 1000 number is a reflection of the people's love. The numbers are temporary, but the love that is etched in your hearts will remain forever. And thank you for that love.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I always believe that the numbers always have to be broken. And yes, I'll also tell you the truth that it's nice to be in this spot, and to enjoy this state. Probably for 2-3 months, I like to be on this spot and enjoy all these records and everything. But within 2-3 months, maybe hopefully at the next summer, I would want all these records to be broken by the next. It doesn't matter which film industry, Telugu film industry, Tamil, Hindi, does not matter. But I want these records to be broken soon because that is progression. That means that India is going up. So I would like to say that I would like to wish everybody that these numbers should be broken as soon as possible, and that is growth. And I love growth. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, just one thing I would like to say. There are 37 crore 8,34,328 husbands in India.
Okay.
And उन सबके घर में लड़ाई चल रही है क्योंकि आपने एक फोटो के चक्कर में सीएम बदलवा दिया. एंड यहाँ पर लड़ाई इस बात की है कि तुम एक गुलाब लेकर नहीं आ सकते. 37 crore 8,34,328 husbands की कंप्लेंट है सर ये.
For all those, how many crores?
37 crore 8 lakhs
चलो
34
round figure दे दो, 38 बोल दो.
38 crore.
To all the 38 crore husbands, I'll tell you one thing. Listen to your wife.
एंड सर मेरे घर में एक छोटा सा कलेश हो गया, मुझे वो शेयर करना था आपको. मेरी बीवी ने कहा तुम्हारी गलती है, सॉरी बोल दो. मैं वो झुकेगा नहीं साला. 3 दिन से खाना बंद है.
वाइफ के सामने झुको.
यस, ये गुरु मंत्र है. वाइफ के सामने हर कोई झुकेगा.
नहीं, औरत के सामने झुको.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Very nice message. Sir, any last words before, for the media, any last words that you would like to say?
Thank you, India. Dhanyavad.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Alu sir. Please, big round of applause for Alu Arjun sir. And the